see me need or do me so me need a try. Inside that inside your man on dress yeah yes right. I can't say I done the frail boom me back and who ya say what try I say. My name is Obiri Tete and Kwame. Born in Lagos, raised in Accra. I'm a storyteller and an Afro soul artist. I'll practically say I've done music for over 10 years, but it's been close to 5 years redefining my former self to growing into becoming Obiri Tete. She changed deep in see, then had a tech when your wife the way be questions. Dead or alive, I think Fela Kuti will always be my favorite because he was a rebel. He never stuck to the norms, to the rules. He always did music he wanted to do. I'm still the fucking Jew. I think if I wasn't doing music, I'll be a marketer because I love to sell ideas. I love to marry arts and corporate, so I'll definitely be venturing into those spaces. I'm trying to show my boys my girl and deep thinking it was me a fake. Me could be a goddamn it. Music was escape for me because growing up I was a lonely child, and when I got to SHS it was like the only time I could write my emotions out because I don't talk that much. First, me do born in the back, but then music became an escape for me. So with my creative process, I always visit my memory. I have like 20% imagination fused in there, but I usually tell story like I can just wake up, be amongst the people, and I hear a story, and that story might haunt me like the entire night. And usually I write best at dawn. I wake up at dawn, take a walk, and by the time I get back home, I have my song ready. So I visit that place of pain or joy. I usually don't write happy songs. Like that's something I'm trying to do now because I always visit the dark places and borrow from pain. But that is it. I gotta go. Like that, she's gone. Got you wondering what's in my word to actions, babe, which was wrong. Try to grab her by the hand, left your ass Pinocchio to fuck your. Locally, I'm really looking for. I really wouldn't put a hand on an artist, but I'm looking forward to an artist that catches my vibe because I do storytelling, and usually I'm very selfish with my space because I really want to tell the story in its entirety. So it would take somebody who can actually bust my mind beyond any level to put me on a song. And in Ghana, we know such people. We know the Walasis, we know the Amarais, we know the Manifest, Sofa, Dadojan. Like these are people who write very good music, very, 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 very good music. So put me in that bracket and I'll take it. Internationally, Benjamin Clementine on any day. Any artist that will make it to Glastonbury Festival, I want to open that because that's like my biggest dream. Okay, so with the Afro soul concept, I mean, you can't force an idea or genre on the people. It takes one song after the other for them to appreciate you more. So it is in my journey to make sure every single song I put out is in its best form. Patience, be patient. Because I think at a point I was too desperate because I feel like I was too talented for people who weren't that talented to be on TV. But I feel when it came that I had to be patient, it taught me a lot about myself. Life has taught me pepper, but I'm literally grinding the pepper and turning it into a branded shitter for people to appreciate. Because each time you listen to my songs, I'm serving you a piece of me or a piece of somebody I know. So it's just me moving along and living for the moment. In the next 5 years, God help me, I should be on Colors. Shut Up is one of the songs of my upcoming album titled Daddy, I Can Sing Too. So I'm working hard towards that particular album. I'm trying to get partners and executive producers for it because I have the product, but a good song not promoted is almost best not released.
Sit on the hoping go make I lose my breath. Apologies to my sissy, be like I never stay for you. Night of hustle, it be like I never date. Don't force.
Make you talk less. Maybe you should talk less. Maybe you should talk less. Once was a horse to the riverside, but I no fee for some make it drink. Tell me, say the sea getting deep and deeper sides, so be up to me to stay afloat or to sink. Once was a horse to the riverside, but I no fee for some make it drink. Tell me, say the sea getting deep and deeper sides, so be up to me to stay afloat or to make you talk less. Maybe you should talk less. Maybe you should talk less. Make a learn to shut up, Vito. Zito, make a learn to shut up, Zito. Ninke, Zito, make a learn to shut up. Make a learn to shut up. Once to the bed I will learn to fly. He just tweeted me where he spread out in wings. Told me, son, I can only teach you how to dive, but to touch the sky, be up to what you think. Once to the bed I will learn to fly. He just tweeted me where he spread out in wings. Told me, son, I can only teach you how to dive, but to touch the sky, be up to what you make you talk less. Maybe you should talk less. Make a learn to shut up. Make a learn to shut up, Femodi. Ninke Fema. Make a learn to shut up, Femodi. Ninke Fema. Make a learn to shut up, Femodi. Ninke Femodi. Mia mia wano. Mia 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 wano. Mia mia wano. Mia 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 wano. Mia 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 wano. Mia 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 wano. Ya wano. Inke Femodi. Inke Femodi. Femodi. Ninke Femodi. Zidodwi. Inke Zidodwi. Zidodwi. Inke Zidodwi. We can learn to shut up.